guys, welcome back to this week's grocery haul. This is just from Walmart. I got some grocery items and I got some non-grocery items. And so let's start with the non. I got some of these soap-proof paper plates for this weekend and for our Easter. I got some, I love this. This is not beautiful. Pioneer Woman towel set, hand towel set. So pretty. And some of her new measuring cups. That is so, it actually has a 4-spout. Love that. And then got Tay-Tay, some pepperoni, filet mignon, and bacon flavor snacks. And she also likes these sausages snacks. Then I got some of this Cascade Power Dry to see if that will help my dishwasher dry my dishes better. And some of Walmart brand dishwasher packs. I've actually used these and they're not bad at all. I had to get some laundry detergent and they finally had my scent and my stuff in the dryer sheet. I'd rather use the dryer sheets than I actually had the liquid. So that is all the non-food items. So let's go to the refrigerated or freezer items. I got a pound of hamburger meat for a recipe I'm going to be doing this week. I've got the smoked sausage for a recipe. Of course, the tater tots, the bacon for tonight. Keith's chocolate milk that he gets every week. I got some sour cream for, of course, a recipe and to use if we need to. And I got some Spam, black pepper Spam. Have y'all ever tried that? Oh my gosh, y'all, it is so delicious. And then I got some instant coffee for a recipe and cream of onion. I didn't even know they made a cream of onion soup until this recipe called for it, but they do. I got me a couple of cans of bourbon barbecue Vienna sausages. Love these. And then I just got a whole 6-can thing of the regular Vienna sausages because I know Keith loves them and so does my grands. I got some minced garlic. I got some crushed red gold crushed tomatoes for a recipe. My coffee, of course. And then I found that they had some diced dangos in these little cups. And the dangos, mangoes. And I love mangoes, y'all. And there's some celery. I needed a bell pepper for a recipe. I got a couple of onions, some bananas, my regular bread, some Walmart's barbecue potato chips. I ordered Walmart's Doritos, nacho cheese Doritos, but they were out, so hey, they gave me the brand name. And then got some Diet Sam's Cola, got some fudge mint cookies, some Rice Krispie treats, Keith's sugar-free cookies that he gets, and the peanut sweet and salty snacks. These are so good, y'all. And my regular Nature Bakery fig bars, raspberry flavored. And for Easter, I am making a homemade chocolate cake. And I thought it would be really pretty with this whipped white, fluffy white frosting. And I believe that's it. I believe we've made our round to the table. Now let me get my menu plan. Okay, for this week's menu plan, tonight we're having French bread pizza, which was a bump meal from last week that we didn't get to do. So we're doing it tonight. For breakfast, we're just having waffles, or I'm making some more rice pudding in the Instant Pot. Oh my gosh, that stuff was so good. But this time I've got the right kind of rice. And it was so good with the wrong kind of rice. I can't imagine what's good with the right kind. And then Tuesday night, I'm making a new recipe for me. It's bacon cheeseburger tater tot casserole. And then I figured Wednesday night would be a leftover night. Thursday night, I'm making a new jambalaya recipe that I've got. And then Friday, it's a bump meal that I haven't made yet. I'm going to try that chicken parmesan. Then I figured Saturday we would have leftovers of anything that we have throughout the week. And then Sunday, of course, is our Easter cookout. We're just having hamburgers, chips, and stuff like that for the kids. And of course, candy, Easter eggs, and all that good stuff. So that is this week's grocery haul. and meal plan. I hope y'all enjoy this. Give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And someone had asked a question whether subscribing was free. Yes, it is totally free. It doesn't cost you a penny. So anyway, guys, I'll see you next week. Bye.